Hello there and welcome to the museum part of Plas Glyn-y-Weddw. I've been asked to give a short film about one of our collections here at Plas Glyn-y-Weddw, and I've decided to choose this painting here. This is Sir Thomas Duncombe Love Jones-Parry, who was the son of Lady Elizabeth Jones-Parry, who commissioned and built the house back in 1853. Now, this painting was painted in 1882 as a gift for Lady Love by the constituents of Caernarfon in recognition of his work as an MP over many years as a Liberal MP for Caernarfon. Now, Sir Thomas was quite a character. Unusually for the gentry, he was a Welsh speaker. He was supportive of the Welsh language and of the Eisteddfod and so forth. And interestingly enough, that's why we today on the Glyn Peninsula hold dear our connection with Patagonia and Argentina, because you have a Puerto Madryn over in Argentina thanks to this man. He gave some money towards the campaign to go over and find a new settlements for the Welsh colony in Argentina back in the 19th century, and went over with Lewis Jones to do a recce before the Mimosa sailed off in 1875. So that's important connection we have with Patagonia we hold dear. We've had past exhibitions to notify that. It's also an important part of our collection because it was one of our first loan exhibits here, and it's on long-term loan from Gwynedd Archives in Caernarfon. And we spent some money thanks to some funding from the Friends of Plas Glyn-y-Weddw in 2015 to do some conservation work on the painting to get it back to how it should look. So it just gives you a little taste of what we have here in the Madryn Room itself. We also have a museum room next door for the Andrews porcelain collection, a stunning collection of Swansea and Landscarrow porcelain. And also next door on the other side, we have a room dedicated to the Ap Thomas family, who saved Plas Glyn-y-Weddw from ruin back in the 1970s and the 80s. And it's thanks to them as well that we are here today to enjoy this wonderful place. So we're coming back now, hopefully reopening next week after this COVID crisis, and looking forward to welcoming you back to Plas Glyn-y-Weddw. Diolch yn fawr.